everyone, it's Louisa here from Woman Strong. Hope you're well. So today I thought I would make blueberry overnight oats. Super quick, easy, and it's a great alternative to have ready for the morning. So you can do it the night before and it's ready on the go for you to eat. So it's especially good if you've got the children to sort out, there's something ready for you and the kids. The kids can eat this as well. So in my blueberry overnight oats, which we're going to go through the ingredients, we've got obviously the blueberries. We've got the natural Greek yogurt. So just when you guys are looking for your yogurts, be mindful of the balance of the protein and the carbs. So this is 7.6 protein and 5.54 carbs. We always want to try and get your protein higher than the carbs. So this is a great yogurt. And this one is the Yeo Valley Natural, thick and creamy, 0% fat. That's the one I went for today. And then we're going to put some vanilla extract and stevia in the overnight oats just to sweeten it up, and I'll talk about stevia in a minute. And then we want to get yourself a nice glass jar with a nice lid, so it's sort of, you know, glass is better than plastic. Keeping that in the fridge overnight, and it's got the seal on it to keep it all protected and fresh.
Where'd you get your stevia from, Louisa?
Today I got this in Asda actually. So this one is stevia. So let me talk to you about stevia. So what this is a natural sugar made from plants. So it's natural, and what it is, it's much better than the refined sugars which sets you off your brain like a pinball machine through the day. You don't want that. You want your balance of the sugar levels to be balanced throughout the day. So this is made from a leaf. So, you know, as natural as possible, and that's what I'm using today in our recipe. And we've got some natural, you know, some vanilla extract that will just sweeten it up a little bit. Okay, so what I did first, I used a quarter of a cup of oats. So I've got, let me show you these cups actually, which are great. So they've got the measurements on the bottom, so you can see. So from our recipes, you might see cup measurements. If you get yourself a set of these, they're cheap and easy, and it just helps you measure out and keep an eye on what you're using in your ingredients. Okay, so this is a quarter of oats, and what I did is I used just a little bit of water to mix through the oats and get them ready, just very quickly. We don't want to overcook them, we just want to do it really quickly. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is get myself a bowl, and I'm going to use a half a cup, 1.5 cups of yogurt. Okay, so this is 1 cup, so I'm going to use that, fill that up, and then I've got a half cup measurement next to it, which is good. So I use these measurements, which are great. It just keeps an eye on what you're using. Okay. So I'm going to put this into my bowl. Yeah. Nice and easy, nice and quick. That's the 1 cup, and now this is the half. Okay. There we go. So we're going to do 2 sort of small teaspoons of the stevia. 1 and 2. And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of the vanilla. Go, put that in. We're going to give this a good mix. Mix it all up. Give it a nice stir. Mixing it all up so it's nice. The stevia and the vanilla extract have gone through to the yogurt. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get our jar. We're going to put the oats at the bottom. Okay. The oats are going to go at the bottom of your jar. There we go. Super quick, guys. This is so quick. Okay. And then we're going to pop our blueberries in. I did measure these, guys. Oh, I've dropped one. I did measure these. This is a quarter cup, so it's a smaller cup of blueberries. And then we are going to top it up with the yogurt. So you're going to you don't need to mix it, you're literally just going to leave it like that. And then in the morning what you'll do is you'll mix it all up, and all the sweetness of the stevia and the yogurt, the oats, the blueberries, all going to be ready. And this is like, it's cold, so you'll eat this literally straight from the fridge. And obviously that's why it's more based with the yogurt. So it's a yogurt based breakfast, even though it's got the oats in, it's not like porridge. It's going to be a nice cold breakfast ready for your day. So just pop this into the fridge and then keep it overnight and it's ready for your breakfast in the morning, guys. So that was quick and easy. It had the yogurt, the oats, the blueberry, the stevia and the vanilla. So that's all ready for you. So yeah, if you've got any questions, let us know, but that's a quick and easy breakfast for Warm and Strong. So I hope you enjoy it and let us know how you get on. Thanks, bye. Hi ladies, it's breakfast time. So I'm gonna get the blueberry overnight oats that I did last night that we went through. Just gonna get them out of the fridge. So here they are, ready for my breakfast. So I'm just going to give them a little stir, mix it all together. That's all the oats, the yoghurt, the blueberries, get it all through. Oh, it looks good, set well. And that's all ready. So there you have it. These are your blueberry overnight oats. Really simple and quick that you saw, and they are ready for my breakfast. Okay, enjoy. See you soon.